There's nothing more aggravating than when you find the time to get out and do a little yard work and you can't get your weed eater to start. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the primer bulb on a weed eater. The tools required to do this job is a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get this started. Okay, the primer bulb, you can see it is located right here. And when you mash this in, you can see that, well, there it just tore. I don't know if you can see that on this camera or not, but the bulb was dry rotted. These don't last very long. And if you'll notice, it's just held in with 2 Phillips head screws, like you see here. So first, I'll just take my Phillips screwdriver. And I will take both of these screws out. Now I don't have to take the fuel line and everything loose, but if you'll see on this here, it's just held in with this ring around the bulb like that. So you just push the rubber bulb out, take it out like that, comes out. Now this is just a generic bulb kit that I picked up at Walmart. I think it was like $3.50 or something like that. But on this one here, there's 2 different bulbs in the pack. Got one like this that's got a solid end. There's no hole. And then there's another one here that's got a little bump on the end here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little hole there. And that's for when you're priming it, your finger covers the hole. This one requires the one without the hole. So you take the new one, you just push it right in the little ring there. And then you just get your little screws back in there. Start them in the holes on this plate, and they'll line up just like that. You take your screwdriver, get it started. Be careful not to cross thread it. Tighten both of them up. I'll get the first one snug, and then I'll come in with the second one and snug it up. And then I'll come back to the first one and finish tightening this one up. What it's doing is compressing the ring around this bulb. So if you just go back and forth, that way you'll get it good and tight, and that way you won't get a leak or an air gap. And then you just take the old one and discard it. I'll save this one here that has the hole in it for a different motor. I've got some that requires that one. You want to check your lines, make sure they're not busted. These look like they're fine. And that's all it is to it. I'll go ahead and I'll prime it up, and I'll see about getting it started to show you that it has fixed. See, I can. There it goes. So next time you think about throwing away your weed eater, check and see if it's this little bulb that is the problem. If it is, it's an easy fix and that'll save you some money. Thanks for watching, and God bless.